So nando to my president never chora. So yeah, in this constitutional mandate agachora basketball and akaba sign chi portfolio silinachi aba sign it and the nanda to position into work by replacing Mosque Machogu no Mosque Olio Goroguna Igos. So at least we appreciate that's number one. Number two, Igapungo Jakobaya and go for a long time. And which of course a lot of problems at the end of the day because there are certain things which cannot be done within ministries without ministers. So even though Biko were done, Biko were done by the ministers and not the PSS who are now taking charge. So I think that's why he moved with speed. Connection and and that was almost a half of Kwerende. We don't know when he's going to add the additional ministers.
Yes.
So that we can then have a complete set of the cabinet. Started with the president, we sat with him as UDA members of parliament from Busi region. And we agreed, he told us he was going to give us one slot, which he delivered to us. And he requested that some possible candidates. And we floated quite a number of names, out of which, as said to Erita, so you Migos. So Migos was in the list. Tamalieta talk forward, Asale. Tali Molialenge. And the time Gaveta Lengato to Galenga, Marieta Manga, and got about 4. And then I got amigos. Because so many interests, we have other members of parliament work by UDA, work or Kisi County. So one on Jaleng, Governor Ninchen will push. But one thing I promise it is that because into what the Solicitor General, at least we are represented in some ways because the Solicitor General is almost, is just actually is higher than the PSS. So we told him, so that we are properly. Number we should underline what the president said, a broad-based cabinet, meaning that is going to reach out to other political parties or political formations, so that Navaraba propose names. So I think because we sat with him for more than 5 hours in Che, Sosoro, Oyondel, Jafet, na Zair, and we kind of agreed. I think there were 4. Then he gave that consideration, and we are happy. Yagera almost go you Migos. He has the energy, he has the passion. When a chairman Kenjen, Moscow Murukoman is not an engineer, but he's been presiding over Mangana roads and infrastructure. Moscow Gorugunjeru Konyoleas water is not a water engineer, but he doesn't have any background in water. So minister can also assess the also at police level. Mkonyorora bantu wako implement wanto wonde binu mugavana amusinyeri bugosarati na for them to preside over the government richirororo nabona wega batu barasa masomo gete agokora with it's managerial, it's at police level, and that's why my Eternal Moscow is going to work and ensure that the standards are in place. Government, people work through people. in government tumia abantu bakore study ayokora. Yeah, so I really want to plead with our people. Yondo gambali baga. So that into kumita mon, naro chabandu anzire babeke nyumba ga tetego senso tik. Anzire batebeke. We should be slow in doing that.